Wiring embedded in spray foam insulation is generally not an approved method and can pose safety risks. Firstly, the National Electrical Code does not explicitly prohibit embedding electrical wires in foam insulation, but it does have requirements for protecting wires from damage. Burying wires in foam insulation can violate these requirements. Secondly, electrical wires generate heat during operation. Foam insulation acts as a thermal barrier, preventing heat from dissipating effectively. Over time, the wires can become overheated and deteriorate, increasing the risk of electrical fires. Thirdly, wires are typically protected by conduits or raceways that provide mechanical and thermal protection. Foam insulation does not provide adequate protection against damage from punctures, compression, or other hazards. Fourthly, spray foam insulation expands as it cures, which can put pressure on the wires and potentially damage them. Fifthly, if wiring issues occur, it will be extremely difficult and expensive to access the wires buried in foam insulation for repairs or modifications. Approved methods include the use of conduits or raceways. Wires should be installed within approved conduits or raceways that provide protection and allow for heat dissipation. Wires can be run inside interior wall cavities using staples or straps to secure them to studs or joists. Wires for exterior lighting and outlets can be run through approved junction boxes and weather-resistant conduit. Some types of spray foam insulation may be rated for use with electrical wires, but it is still important to follow proper installation procedures and ensure that the insulation does not exceed the specified temperature rating for the wire being used. It is highly recommended to consult with an electrician and building inspector before considering this method.